be acquired to set up a bigger police station. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma today attended a program to highlight the salient features of a project named Lawei at Don Bosco College, Clarion in East Jaintia Hills, an initiative that aims to provide digital learning opportunities to students in remote areas. The event also saw the presence of Sutnga Saipung MLA Santa Mary Schiller and advisor to the Education Department H.M. Shankliang. On this day, the guests also honored 9 teachers and presented them with mementos. Awards were given to 3 schools for their excellent implementation of Lawei project.
In last 1 year and 2 years, the development of such a technology, IT learning, digital learning, all this has equally response to the morality that was down during COVID-19.
The Kasi Students' Union